Today we have weekend guest special, Avika. I think you all know it. So today we'll talk about her profile interview. So let's go inside. She's there. Hello.
It's like कहानी कर कर की.
हाँ कहानी कर की. रिश्तों के वो फूल बरसते हैं.
Please come.
पूरा घर दिखाओ, पूरा वो कहते हैं ना. That all. It's a nice house.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
I hope it's clean enough.
No, it's
try
very
doing
neat
my
and clean.
best.
Very neat and
I
clean.
I try doing that because the upbringing that I have is like having everything in place. So
Good. So thank you so much. It was wonderful meeting you. First of all, I loved your dress.
thank you so much.
Very nicely you dressed up and all this, you know.
I saw this is by a friend.
Okay.
I mean, she designed this particular kurti and dupatta for me.
You're known for all these good dresses, you know, Rajasthani and you know.
I hope people
Balika
like
Badhu.
that. I hope people like that because so people my age usually prefer wearing all Western
Yeah.
stuff, and I am
It's
like
good
this.
you're carrying on the tradition.
I
Loved
love
it.
that. I
That's
love
good.
putting bindi. I love doing all this.
No, I can see, I can feel it. So Avika is a profile interview. We want to
Right.
explore about you. I mean, how you take it back your memories, how you react on your face. We want to capture every moment here, right?
Chalo,
So first
let's
when I
do
entered
this.
your home, I see it's such a nice painting, the way you
Oh,
have
yeah,
decorated this. It shows you have this childhood in your heart. Is
so
it? What are
yeah,
these?
this painting is something very cute. A guy giving all the planets to a girl.
Wow.
I think
so
this
you
is,
have that expectation.
Of course I do. My expectations from a guy are very high, and this painting is given to me by my Masi. She made it
Oh,
herself.
Wow.
So yeah, I have memories with all of this.
One by one.
Yes, that was by my Masi. I got this particular thing from Argentina when I was shooting for Khatron Ke Khiladi.
No.
I wanted a memory with me from Argentina, so this is what I got from there. And because I love Marvel, I have a cute little Hulk here. So it's well, I am living my age.
You're living your
Then I have something here which is
Ganesha.
very special to me.
For everybody.
Ganesha here. Then I have this from
I like
Mount
this.
Mary in Mumbai. If you guys know the church there, this is from Mount Mary. This is again a gift from a North Indian friend of mine.
Oh.
Then this is a beautiful angel. So
Wow.
I prefer
Such
keeping
a positive feelings you have kept. Vibration
and
is
also
very
I
high.
believe in all the religions. So
Good.
it's all everything
Good
is here.
message.
Everything is here absolutely.
So cute.
And this owl, yeah, this is again very special because
So
me and
creatively it is made, yeah.
yeah, me and my friend Deeksha got the same owl. One is in Mumbai in her house, and the second one is here with me.
You have all these
And,
creative things, yeah.
yeah,
I
and
can
I like
imagine your
it.
childhood. ये तो.
This I
Lalten.
got it from somewhere around the signal here. The guy who was selling this, he recognized me.
Okay.
And he was like, please buy something. I said, just give it to me. It's really
So
cute. So yeah, this is what I got
So
like
I
recently.
can feel still you're living your childhood. you
I
know?
hope
so. And
so.
small things, how matters to you, I can feel
I
that.
hope so.
So-
Yeah, all this matters.
How was your childhood like? You were so particular about your things and you know very possessive. What a child you are.
So for me, if I talk about material things like this, my first birthday gifts are still saved with me properly. I still have all of those. So I was a child who loved being attached to things and gifts and all of this. So I made sure everything is safe and nice. In Mumbai, if you see my house, it's filled with toys, it's filled with those. So all the awards that I got, I've made a particular wall for it. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing to do, saving everything up for the future. When you look at it, you're like, ah, you're proud of yourself.
Yes.
So
but you remember you were like very possessive or what kind of a child you are? Shy or very outgoing? Which
no,
remember
no,
her?
I used to hit kids. Do
You
not
hit
do
kids.
that. Do not.
You
Kids
hit
don't follow
Boys,
what I
yeah,
did.
Boy kids, so maybe you're hitting.
No, I hit everybody.
Why,
Like
yeah?
I was just so I thought what I am doing is the right thing. So anybody who used to argue with me or
कैसा?
like for example मेरे को
एक
अगर
डेमो है
नहीं. So for example
छोटे
if
बच्चे बन जाते हैं दोनों.
I know, right? And also, for example, if you're playing cricket, बैट मेरा है तो बैटिंग मुझे करनी है.
Exactly.
So simple.
Yeah.
And people should know that. So if they don't give me to bat, or if मैं जल्दी out हो गई or something like that, then
You
I
start
used to,
hitting.
yeah, I used to fight a lot.
Oh
A
my
lot.
God.
Yeah.
So how was your days? Like you remember, like so early you started working.
Yeah.
The kind of, schooling pressure, education, plus your profession. Very early you got it. How was it? Like how your parents and everybody supported you?
Everybody supported, of course, otherwise I wouldn't reach here. For me, the journey that I had was, every day was going to the school in the morning, then going for my shoots,
Wow.
and then coming back, doing a little bit of tuition or homework, or just sleeping because I was usually very tired. Then again going back to school next morning. So this entire routine was set in a way that, I was very comfortable with it
But
by
how
the
you
end
got
of it.
this, Balika Badhu? You always wanted to be actors when you were
No,
small.
I wanted to
doing
become
something.
No. I wanted to become a choreographer.
Ooh, तो
Yeah.
तो बल्ले बल्ले होने वाली है.
I
आज हमें
wanted to,
अभी का-
yeah. I was 4 when I started dancing.
Wow.
I used to dance with a
That I
dance
know.
troupe called Casper. So
You're a good dancer, that I know.
Thank you so much. So I wanted to become a choreographer. At the age of 8, somebody spotted me and asked my dad if I can act. So then I did a few shows and ramp shows and everything. And after that, after 2 years of struggle, I got Balika Badhu.
That was a.
So
Still, I feel like clapping for
thank
that.
you so
know.
much. Thank you.
So early age, you did that show, and then the
Yeah.
kind of mileage you get and the prestigious award.
Right. Thank you so much.
And
for
still,
that.
you're very down to earth.
I would like to believe
it's
that.
not here. I have seen this.
Thank you.
So how the life changed after that? It was like then keep going. no
Everything
looking.
changed. Like my teachers in my school, even during the exams, they used to just ask me what's happening next. They wanted to know.
They don't treat you like a student, I think. Then they be अरे यार यार कल क्या होने वाला है और
It was more of कि अब
The
episode
craze.
में कल क्या होने वाला है. We want to know. Will you be crying again?
oh my
So
god.
stuff like that used to happen in school, and then my friends used to get their parents and everybody to click pictures after the school.
So celebrity star.
yeah, all of that happened.
So did you miss your childhood somewhere?
No.
You think?
I
No.
think I got extra.
Extra
All the
pampering.
love I got was extra. All the pampering I got was extra. I think whatever I've got, I'm very grateful for it, and I had a lot of fun. Who doesn't like attention?
I know. So, but you tell me one thing, the first dance you loved, like एक रहता है ना, when child is small as you were 4 years and in the mirror, they're doing some chick chack. Any
नहीं
heroine
मैं
used
ऐसे
to do?
मिरर पे नहीं करती थी, मैं सीधा स्टेज पे नाचती थी.
You don't do it like directly. First time when you went to the stage, what age?
I was 4 when I started dancing
wow.
on stage.
What was that song? You remember?
I don't remember the first song, but they were all Shahid Kapoor or Hrithik Roshan songs.
They are favorite? Your favorites?
Yeah,
They are
they
your
are very good dancers. Who doesn't like them? So I think it was one of those Dhoom Machale or stuff like that.
Great. And what about this? Bollywood comes to your plate, then Tollywood, one by one.
I don't know. I mean, I'm just seeing how it goes with the flow because I love this industry. Even today, if I get a chance of choosing between acting or dancing, I would choose dancing. I'm very
Dancing.
honest about
Okay.
it. I love dancing. Dancing has always been my first love and it always will be. So for me, dancing is the priority. And movies are happening, like Telugu movies I do. I have done one Kannada also. So
Yeah.
for me, experimenting with cinema has always been my thing. It's not just that I do. I think a lot of people know about this already, that in Berlin Film Festival 2 years back, I was the youngest ever to be nominated for screenplay writing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do a lot of stuff with cinema because I love cinema.
Oh, love, eat, sleep cinema.
Oh, absolutely. In literal
Yeah,
sense,
good.
I do that.
So एक डायलॉग तो चाहिए मुझे अविका का.
Dialogue.
हाँ, कुछ जो बचपन का एक रहता है या मतलब it's back of your mind. You love seeing it and you feel this is a dialogue of your life. Telugu हो, हिंदी हो.
I think it's a Hindi dialogue
हाँ,
from
full.
Balika Vadhu.
पूरा फ्री होके फोन दे दो इधर.
No problem. Balika Vadhu का ये dialogue है. I think it was the first day of my shoot.
Oh.
And I had to say a 15 ka table in Rajasthani language, in the slang. And I am a girl from Mumbai. I was 10 years old. And 15 table was easy for me, but in Rajasthani language,
It was quite.
and I still remember how I learned it. I was staying in a hotel and I asked one of the waiters कि आप जरा बोल के दिखाओ. And he said it, I recorded it, and I was trying to remember with that recording like a song. So, and that is something that my father is going to be shocked that I remember
Still
it till
remember.
now.
Wow.
And that is
Action.
15 का 15 दूध 30 पेताला चौका 60 पंची पितल छकड़ी 9 7 5 8 भी 9 भेंडी दबा के देता.
हो गया. ये तो बड़ा छोटा सा था.
Yeah, but this is something that is very, very, very close
Tough
to
for
my
you.
heart. And at the age of 10, you don't realize how.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
And I am saying this dialogue almost after 10 years.
Oh,
So, I
good
still
memory.
remember.
We can say she has a good memory.
Oh, I hope so.
And what about Telugu cinema? You got your first offer, first location on the set where you don't know language, you don't know people.
Yeah. And also,
Which cranky hua ho.
and I was also giving my 10th boards that time. So when Uyala Jampala I was shooting for, I had my 10th boards going on. And मुझे
How
याद
was your
है
experience?
it was so confusing because in one point I'm reading the dialogues, saying the dialogues, and Virinchi, my director, he's telling me, you know, a little bit like that. He's trying to improvise. My assistant director, Nani, everybody is helping me out to do it. Raj Tarun was there, everybody was there. Second minute, I turn and I'm with my mother doing my physics homework. So it was like a task, and also at that time I was shooting for Sasural Simar Ka, the TV serial that I did. So for me it was like 8 days coming here in Hyderabad, not in Hyderabad, in Amalapuram. We were shooting for Yalla Jampala in Amalapuram. Then we used to come back to Hyderabad for a day, then go to Mumbai, shoot for Sasural Simar Ka, then again come back, again
so
do that.
hectic. सुन के
It
नींद आ रही है.
was really
No sleeves.
an experience of a
So
lifetime.
first day means किसी से कुछ तेलुगु में everybody was like staring at you and you are staring at them. कैसे बात करना है? वो कुछ funny instrument कुछ हुआ क्या?
Actually, not funny because I was always a quick learner. I understood what people are trying to tell me. So for me, understanding a language is more about expressing. So if somebody is doing this, so I will understand he's asking me to come. So it's for me, I was noticing the actions and the expressions, and that is why it became easier for me to understand the language. But I think the cutest word in Telugu, which I love from my deep in my heart, is I think Vammo.
Vammo.
I just love that. It sounds so cute. I mean, it's my favorite word in Telugu, Vammo.
So no dialogue till you have learned. I mean,
I did films,
one
yes,
line.
I have learned, but I don't remember anything.
So you can't like एक line भी कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. Somebody tells you to speak one line for anybody. Your fans ask you.
Nothing. Because see, my memory for the Telugu dialogues is such that today I read something, tomorrow I go and say it in front of the camera, and third day I'm blank. Because third day again I have to learn something else.
I know.
So remembering so much is...
But you have a very beautiful songs yaar in your movies.
songs, yeah. I love the songs.
No
and,
song, remember?
I remember all the songs from my all movies.
One song. I know
Okay,
you're a
I
good
don't
dancer, singer, पूरा talent भरा हुआ. I know that.
Oh,
But
thank
one
you.
song तो तेलुगु का fans के लिए. Get
चलो.
ready, action.
I
love this.
జంపాలైనా నీతో గమని మళ్ళీ మనలా పుట్టించాడు సీతారాములని ఇదో రకం స్వయం వరం అనేటుగా ఎలా నీ చూపులే నాపై పడే ఓ పూలమాలలా.
Super. This is my favorite song.
Thank
you know,
you so
I love
much.
this.
Even I love this song.
I was thinking यही गाना गा दे because मेरे लिए थोड़ा difficult था बोला, but you did it. Thank you
love
so
this
much.
song.
It was a wonderful
Thank
song.
you, thank you so
memorable
much.
song.
Thank
So
you.
what's happening next now? What's going on in life next? Busy
I
again
have
with movies?
Yes, I have signed a couple of movies, and that's the reason I'm away from my family, staying in Hyderabad.
I know.
So yeah, I miss my family a lot, but people want to see me in Telugu movies. So
How many
here
movies
I
now?
am.
Lined up so many? Like one?
A
two?
lot.
Oh. So
That's
big
what I
ones.
would say. A lot. Wait for it.
So different
Sabar ka
roles.
phal meetha hota hai.
So, I mean, different धमाका होने वाला है. So many we have to accept.
I mean, so my intention is to give good movies. I don't really do movies very often. Like you must have seen my last movie with Nikhil was 3.5 years back,
I know.
and then I came back with Raju Kari Gadi 3. So that gap and that all of that was to obviously groom myself, and I tried becoming something that I like to watch. So I will do a lot of movies, but that doesn't mean that will happen like within next 2 years. Or
should not be happening.
I think and also my age is by my side. I'm just 22 right now, so for me I have a lot
तो
of
मैरिज
time.
क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछ सकते.
नहीं, वो पूछ सकते हो, that is your thing, and I am that.
22 is so cute.
Yeah, and
You have lot
at
of-
22, trust me, all the girls want to get married. They are like, oh, we would love to
22.
dress up and
Yeah.
call family and friends. So yeah, I
So
do
अभी
have
शुरू
all
हुआ
of that.
in your family when you're getting married, कोई लड़का ढूंढना
Not in
शुरू
my
हुआ.
family.
But for you,
But for me, yeah. So I'm just waiting for somebody to come in my life and get married.
wow,
I like the idea. See, I like the idea of marriage. I
Okay.
mean, it's such a beautiful thing our ancestors have created. I think it's a beautiful
You
culture.
should get a
and-
right partner first
Of course,
all.
that is
That's-
exactly what I'm waiting for.
You were just saying that you have a lot of expectation. So
See,
जरा सुन लो.
I'll tell you what I want. I want somebody to look like Hrithik Roshan.
बाबा.
I want somebody to dance like Allu Arjun. I want somebody whose personality and charm is like Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh man. ये
I
कहाँ
want
से मिलेगा?
somebody who talks like Shah Rukh Khan with that wittiness. So अब ढूंढ लो. कोई मिल जाए बता देना.
You have age, don't worry. So if anybody is like that, please come and propose her.
Why not?
She is ready for a marriage. That's a good one. I loved it. Okay, we have some inquiry. I don't know whether it's right or not. I came to know that you're a very good mimicry artist.
No.
Is it right or wrong?
Not at all.
You used to act on locations, किसी का copy करना. You
Not
do it
at
like
all.
this. Is it right?
Not at all.
Then who written this in website? I need to find out. He written.
Please find out and file a case.
No,
I
that
mean,
you,
I can't even.
that you can't copy the actors, dialogues, and
Not at all.
facial expressions.
No, I can't act myself. I mean, it takes time for me to, be
So-
in that character, act. How
So
will I act
in
somebody
your
else?
life, you have never copied a expression of an actress. जैसे एक रहता है ना, एक इसका करते हैं, कुछ भी नहीं.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं.
बस.
That's all I can say. And
ये-
that was also very bad. I know that.
No, it
I
was
don't do
good.
mimicry. No.
So no, you don't do dialogue.
No, I
practice.
think I rather have my own style in talking.
Oh, what is your style then? एक हो
And
जाए.
that people have seen in my movies.
I know,
I
I
think
know.
that is what it is. And like I said, I like being who I am and very
Exactly.
comfortable. This is not to disrespect any mimicry artists, but also I would like to tell them that I think you rather be yourself. That's
Good.
more interesting.
That's good. So we have a small rapid fire to know
And
more
I
about you.
love rapid fire.
One word में खत्म करने का
I love
fast.
it. I love
I'll
it.
not give you time to time नहीं.
I don't even take
Let's see. One thing you're ready to fight for.
my dog Shiro.
Are you a daydreamer?
Oh yes.
What do you dream?
I dream about traveling, eating chocolate.
बाप रे, लग नहीं रहा है. Okay, chocolates. Your favorite food?
Aloo.
Aloo?
Anything made of aloo.
यार ये, my God. Your favorite place in your home?
In my home.
Yeah.
This home or Mumbai home?
Any home?
No, any place where I have my Shiro, my dog, along with me. It can be this carpet or in the bedroom or wherever. I just want my dog with me.
One thing you cannot live without home.
My phone.
Okay. If you have to hug a person in your dream, who will be?
Hug a person in my dream.
Come on, come on, come on.
Jason Momoa, because I think
Wow.
he's so huge. The hug will be like I'm hugging a 6'4", 6'5"
Baap re.
heighted teddy bear.
Your favorite relative?
Relative.
Huh.
My cousin Romil, I'm very close to.
What makes you happy?
Shiro. my
What
dog.
makes you sad?
Not being around Shiro.
What one thing you have learned from your childhood?
That being honest is very important.
Your favorite compliment?
That I am absolutely jhalli. I don't know
Okay.
what's the right
Jhalli,
word
yeah,
for that.
yeah.
Jhalli is like,
If you get a chance to, like you come to know you're acting with this movie or a star and you'll not sleep whole night, who will be?
if not about acting but dancing with Allu Arjun is something that I wait for.
I know. What advice you will give to your mom?
My mom, call me more. I'm your own daughter. I want to talk to you sometimes.
Wow.
She's just too busy. So
She's also busy, okay. What makes you sit for hours?
sit for hours. My phone, Instagram, I'm so addicted to this. I shouldn't be doing that.
What's your favorite pose of your selfie? Do it.
I don't like taking selfies, but if I do, I try winking a lot.
Oh, your childhood crush.
Shahid Kapoor. And I
Shahid Kapoor.
told him this, that I was shooting with him, and I told him that I really like you. Please marry me. I love you.
Ayyo.
And all he did was, oh, how cute. He just broke my heart.
Please, Shahid, listen to this.
He broke my heart.
You've broken my heart. Your first proposal of friendship. मुझसे फ्रेंडशिप करोगी? स्कूल में बोलते हैं ना बच्चे. Boys आके.
I don't even remember.
No boy came to you. Please be my friend. Come for a coffee.
No, of course. So there is this person in my life whom I'm very close to. One of my very close friends right now, Meet. And if you're watching this, you're gonna kill me. I know that.
Define love.
It should be easy, effortless. It should be like you're, flying on cloud 9.
I know. You always go. You're ready to go for a date. One person.
With one person.
हाँ, कि वो आए और बस आप ready हो date के लिए. I'll go
Hugh
for a date.
Jackman.
One movie you can watch anytime, like time pass anytime.
Barfi.
Barfi. Not bad. What makes you fear?
Fear?
Get scared, yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, because I did a show called खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
After that you have forgotten.
And उसके बाद डर क्या होता है?
डर के आगे जीत है. One subject which you used to hate.
One what?
Subject. वो रहता है ना.
Math.
Even I don't like.
And उसमें specific trigonometry. Why would anybody create something like that?
I know.
Oh my God.
How you react when you hear something wrong? Oh, she got tagged with this boy, or hero. How you react with wrong rumors when you get heard about?
Funny. I mean, I would
You
like.
enjoy?
Oh, please create more rumors about me. I mean, I love doing this. And it's not that I love gossip, but the fact that how people can get creative, that impresses me. So I want more rumors about me.
So
Go for
last
it.
rumor, have you heard anything about you?
Yeah, I have a baby and I've hidden it. I've hidden a baby, guys, and that rumor I heard when I was 18. So I was like, wow, that's creative.
That was your last rumor which you like,
I can't forget it. It's like I have a baby, I've hidden it, and I was like, wow,
God.
that's creativity.
My
That's some good writing.
A message for yourself.
Be the way you are, I like it.
Be the way you are, like it. That's a good one. So अभी favorite जो stars हैं आपके, you said you want to dance with Allu Arjun. कभी tried some of his steps? Allu के favorite steps.
बिल्कुल नहीं, पागल है, हाथ पैर टूट जाएंगे मेरे.
You have to dance with him.
I would love to dance with him.
You have
and
to you
I'm
must
sure,
be preparing yourself somewhere.
And I'm sure my our dearest Shekhar Master is ready to do that very soon.
So last clutch होने वाला है. Sound करो. अल्लू अर्जुन के साथ हम एक डांस करने वाले हैं. मैं भी करूँगी.
It's impossible.
You are a choreographer, ma'am.
Yeah, that I am.
ये हमारा end रहता है.
हाँ.
ये हमारा end होता है इससे है. तो dance which looks very graceful and you can dedicate to Allu Arjun if you want to dedicate.
I rather do it for myself. Allu Arjun will see this and never work with me. I don't want that to happen. But chalo, let's do it.
Yeah.
I'll just play something nice.
Yeah. It was wonderful यार seeing Allu Arjun का गाना और उसमें मैडम का डांस अविका का. So I just want to see you next time doing a movie and dancing with Allu Arjun.
Oh, thank you
It
so
has
much
to
for
be.
that.
So thank you so much.
Thank
I had a
you.
really fun. So waiting to meet you again and again.
Soon
And
we will.
more movies for you. As you're
Thank
doing
you.
it, no need to say that.
Thank you so much.
So एक सेल्फी पोज क्या रहता है वो देख लेते हैं मैडम का. Oh yo. चलो, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.